guys, it's Pete back here. So before today's video is again going to be an Asphalt 9 on the Grand Prix and the Elite Grand Prix and the special event. But before we continue, you guys have been showing a lot of support. So again, click that subscribe button to make sure you stay connected with the content I put, and you'll get notified also when I put the content out. And keep showing your support. Anyways, let's get into today's video. So today we have the next round of the Tuatara and we have the Elite Grand Prix which just started now. So since I just didn't pay much attention to the last round of the Elite Grand Prix, okay, since the Tuatara event was there and new multiplayers. So anyways, today what we're going to do is we're going to go on the Elite Grand Prix, okay. So we're going to do the two videos. This one is going to be in the Grand Prix, next one is going to be in a special event, next round. Okay, so as you can see, this is Rome's Tiber Cross and I'm currently on 13th. As I said, didn't pay much attention in the last round, so never mind. But I think that after that there will be something. Okay, I think there will be 10 rounds. If you guys remember correctly, this Grand Prix was supposed to last 10 days and it's only been 5 days and each day one round. So I think there will be a second round of events. Okay, so Asphalt hasn't revealed that yet, so we'll just have to see what happens tomorrow. Okay, so as you can see here, challenges are finish race and shockwaves are okay. Like, what is a wreck? Wreck 1. I am not going to do this. I'm not going to wreck, so I'm going to just skip it with 1000 tokens. Sorry, credits. Not tokens, my bad. Not tokens. I wouldn't spend 1000 tokens for this one, come on. I think it would be better to just wreck. Yeah, so credits. Okay, that's done. So now let's go. 2 shockwaves and finish race. Should be easy. Again, this is the practice round. Race round is going to be later. Okay. So this is fairly good. 12 degrees Celsius and 2201 meters. Rome's Tiber Cross. So Tiber Cross means there's those who have studied, if you know anything about Rome, so Tiber is a very famous river in Rome. So the track is named after that. Anyways, let's go. This road actually looks cool, you know. While standing on it, the road actually looks very cool. So last round was in New York. Obviously we didn't get to film that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Okay. That's 2 shockwaves done. 33.7. Okay. Now I don't know how good this is, as no one has raced or anything. So we just have to see how much good this is. Anyways, so we got tokens and we got credits. Okay, let's go again. So this is the 3 rounds of practice. Again, the same thing. Honestly, this loading screen actually looks good, you know. Normally in a Colosseum at the side and this tree keeping me in the focus, it actually is very alluring and very pleasing to the eye, I would say. So anyways, let's not talk about all these, let's talk about the races, okay. And another thing which I observed recently, so I need to say to you guys something. So I actually changed clubs yesterday. Okay, I got a new brother club. So I'll be posting where you guys will be able to see my score and then you can see the club. So I got chance in a very good club. It's a very good club. I wouldn't say my last club was bad, but this is even better, you know. Various degrees of good. Okay, let's go for the shockwaves. 30, 131, 132, 132.8. Okay. This is even better. This is even better. This was even better. Honestly speaking, we should go for the next round of races. So anyways, so that's it. Last practice attempt. After this we're racing. Ooh, this one also looks good. This one also looks good. Let me take a screenshot. These photos are actually very good for thumbnails or anything for other creators. Yeah. I think this is the center of the room. There's a tower there. I can't remember what the name is. I've actually learned about Rome from Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. You know, yeah, I always had an interest in history. I mean, when I was in school, one of my favorite subjects was history. Actually, I absolutely hated maths. So yeah, Sanskrit too piqued my interest, but then again, I myself had interest in history. So I researched on Rome. Whoa, 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 whoa. How many 360 degrees was that, man? 28, 29, 130, 131.8. Whoa. Whoa. I would say I'm doing pretty good. I mean, considering the time difference of the three times I ran on this, I would say I'm doing pretty good. Okay, so anyways, let's go into the race attempts. Okay, and I better get something good in the first 3 attempts, because otherwise the video gets very long, and I know you guys like don't actually like to watch. I mean, I would say not like, I mean, you guys don't, you know, I mean, I think we should get to the point of racing. Yeah, I think we should get to the part where you guys enjoy the races only. You guys enjoy the races, but not long races of the same track. Yeah. Anyways. So. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, 31.1. That's the best time. That's the best time. That's my best time. Okay. So as you can see, I mean, someone did. Three of us did it simultaneously. Wow. Wow. Okay. 3 of us did that simultaneously. That's good.
2 hours later.
Okay. So I don't want to show you guys, but we had a lot of frustrating moments with after that time we posted. So I don't want to show you guys those frustrated moments. I mean, after genuine frustration, I couldn't get anything better than that. Okay, so I couldn't beat that 3600. Okay, it's actually very easy to beat it, but unfortunately I couldn't beat it. Again, someone has done a 3635. So I'm currently 3rd, but I think I can improve this time. So currently I'm 3rd, and we can improve this time. This time can be improved. So wait, did someone else do it too just now? No, it's him only. It's him only. So 3 of us have done it, and currently I'm 3rd on the standings. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you really find this useful. I'm genuinely frustrated now, and it's gonna be some moments before I do the 2-hour video. So guys, that's gonna be it for the Grand Prix, late Grand Prix next round. This is gonna be all about the jumps, and it's gonna be all about the jumps and shockwaves. Okay, if you can time these properly and right, you can get a good time. And I hope you get a better time than me. Obviously, I'm gonna improve my time too, but I hope that you all guys get a better time than this. So anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to smash like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe, and as always, keep speeding. Okay guys, see ya.